The Smart Kitchen Revolution, 2025 Essentials for Every Modern Home. In recent years, the kitchen has transformed from a purely functional space into a smart, sustainable, and health-focused hub of the home. As we move deeper into 2025, this evolution continues with groundbreaking trends that combine technology, design, and lifestyle efficiency. For those seeking to create a kitchen that's ready for the future, embracing these 4 essential shifts will make all the difference. The first major trend defining the kitchens of 2025 is the integration of AI-powered appliances. From ovens that recognize food types and suggest optimal cooking methods, to smart refrigerators that track expiration dates and meal plans, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we interact with food. Voice-controlled assistants are now central in modern kitchens, allowing hands-free operation of everything from timers to recipe step guidance. Connected scales and cooking sensors ensure every dish is prepared with precision, and even coffee machines have learned to adapt to personal taste preferences. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a tailored culinary experience that responds to your habits and needs. These appliances are sleek, minimal, and energy efficient, merging form with function for an effortless aesthetic. Sustainability has taken center stage as eco-conscious living becomes non-negotiable. Modern kitchens are now equipped with composting units, gray water recycling systems, and energy-efficient induction cooktops. Materials like recycled glass countertops, bamboo cabinetry, and VOC-free paints are not just stylish, but all kitchens in 2025 are also embracing a more plant-forward lifestyle, with indoor herb gardens and hydroponic towers becoming mainstream features in urban homes. These elements are not only green in color, but green in impact, allowing households to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing modern comforts or design. Health-focused tech is the third defining trend of this year's kitchen transformation. Meal prep is no longer guesswork. Integrated nutritional analyzers scan ingredients to provide real-time insights into calorie, protein, and vitamin content. Smart kitchen platforms now sync with wearable devices to offer personalized meal suggestions based on activity levels, diet preferences, and even biometric data. Water filtration systems have become more advanced, offering mineral infusion settings to optimize hydration. Air quality sensors also play a role, ensuring ventilation is automatically adjusted to remove pollutants and allergens while cooking. This holistic health integration empowers users to take control of their nutrition and wellness with a few taps or voice commands, turning every meal into an opportunity for better living. Finally, the social dimension of the kitchen has evolved. With more people working remotely, the kitchen now often doubles as a co-living and a co-working space. Multifunctional islands serve as both dining tables and digital workstations. Modular lighting adjusts to cooking, dining, or working modes, and acoustics are being optimized for both casual conversations and video calls. Ambient screens embedded in cabinetry or backsplash areas stream podcasts, display family calendars, or offer live cooking class access. This convergence of culinary and communal functions makes the kitchen a more dynamic part of the household, designed to host not just meals, but memories, moments, and productivity. These 4 pillars, AI integration, sustainability, health tech, and multifunctional design, are redefining what it means to have a modern kitchen in 2025. They're not just trends. They are the blueprint for a smarter, healthier, and more harmonious home life.